Samsung 65-inch QLED 4K Q60D. Main features are 100% color volume with quantum dot, 4K upscaling, Samsung Tizen OS. Resolution is 4K 3840 x 2160. Refresh rate is 50 Hz. Video features are Picture Engine Quantum Processor Light 4K, HDR High Dynamic Range, Quantum HDR 10 Plus, AI Upscale 4K Upscaling, Contrast Dual LED, Micro Dimming Supreme UHD Dimming, Contrast Enhancer, Motion Technology Motion Accelerator, Smart Calibration Basics, Filmmaker Mode FMM, Adaptive Sound, Object Tracking Sound TS Lite. Keys Symphony is sound output, RMS 20 watt. Speaker type is 2-channel. Smart features are multi-device experience. Mobile to TV initiate mirroring, sound mirroring, wireless TV on, tap view. Multi-view is up to 2 videos. Ambience ambient. Apple AirPlay. Game features are auto game mode, ALM. Game motion plus. Super ultra wide game view. Minimap zoom. Light sync, AGIG. Broadcasting is digital broadcasting DVB-T2 Castu. Analog tuner. TV key support. TV design is Air Slim. Bezel type is 3 bezel less. Slim type is slim look. Front color is black. Stand type new simple stand. Stand color is black. Additional features are embedded POP, EPG, extended PVR IP control, OSD language, and local languages. Reference number is QA65Q60D USMM. TV price, almost $1,192.48.